it's Jennifer, and now it is day 6 for my Christmas Advents. So let's check those out. Let's start out with the sewing one, and let's find day 6. It's right here, and I'll open that one up. It is a retractable tape measure. So there it is. It's a retractable tape measure. How cool is that? So that is always going to be useful. We can always use one of those. Definitely can use one of those. So that's day 6, and I will find day 6 right here on my Southern Skeins, and I'll pull that out. So here's day 6. Let's open this one up. Oop. Let's see what it is. Oh, that's beautiful. That is a beautiful dark green. That is pretty. So here was day 5 and day 4. But that is a gorgeous dark green. Look at that. That's stunning. I love that. And day 6 for our woobles is right here. So day 6 is, ooh, it's 2 colors and a card. So there's day 6. Put that up. So we got some orange and some red, yellow and red. It looks orange, and it is for a bell. So that's really cute. Why does that look so? Yeah, it must be. Well, yes, it is. It is orange. Oh, excuse me. So it is orange, and we have all the things we need on here to get the pattern. And so there we go, orange and yellow. So that's really cool. So stay tuned for day 7. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.